Hi guys, it's Liam here, and today I want to talk about the Great Barrier Reef, and more specifically how humans impact the Great Barrier Reef. Now, one big way that we impact the Great Barrier Reef is by overfishing, or just generally fishing. Because if we don't control it, we may significantly hurt the reef as well as the fish themselves. Garbage, such as cigarette butts, plastic bags that turtles might eat, that sort of thing. Pollution that can come, through a current from another country or an island or something, or from the land itself. Shipping, let's say someone was shipping oil and there was a spill, or there was a ship going through, it may damage the reef because they could actually hit the coral, or because it generates quite a big section of heat which can kill the coral because of the change in climate. Another thing I'd like to mention is that it's so big. The coral reef is so big that it can actually be seen from space. It's also World Heritage listed, which means it's got a lot of there's a lot of tourists that come. It's a very major tourist attraction for Australia, and also if it was to be damaged, Australia would not look very good. And also climate change is also affects the coral reef very badly in the terms of because we tend because maybe of coal mines, maybe because of factories, we emit carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which eventually tends to affect the concentration of heat in that area. So because of that, the heat in the water is affected, and because it gets hotter or colder, even if it was to get hotter or colder, it could substantially damage the coral in the area and the fish. And to be honest, even stuff on land, it could affect them. So it's just generally not a good thing. So yeah. So now you know hopefully a bit more about the Great Barrier Reef. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.